Welcome to our channel. First thing that you need to do is take 1 teaspoon of borax and put it into the 1 cup of warm water. Do I do this?
Mix it until it's dissolved.
And then mix it until it's dissolved. Is it done so good? Now that this part is done, now we can set it aside. Now we're gonna grab our bowls and put a whole container of glue in it. Now we're gonna pour an equal amount of shaving cream in our bowl. Now we need to mix them together. I got some on my hands on accident.
Okay.
Mine's all mixed together almost. Yep, mine too.
So stop for a minute.
Now we are going to put our food coloring in, and we found neon food coloring, so that's what we're going to use. Now we're going to pour a few drops of food coloring in and then stir. If it's not the right color that you want, just put a little bit more. Now we are going to pour a little bit of the borax mixture into the bowl until we get the right texture. Notice that it's starting to get a little bit more sticky into a slime ball. All stick together. You can use your hands to mix it up. Oh my god, this feels so good. It feels so good and nice. Oh. Sticky, it should turn into a ball. Your slime is complete. Do you like yours, guys? Yeah. The second slime that we're gonna do is very similar to the first slime. Yep.
Explain.
So we're just gonna put in some glue, a full pack of glue, like last time. all up. Squeeze it. And we're going to slowly pour in our borax and stir. Put in our food coloring at this time. Borax until it turns into a ball. Mixing your slime with borax until there's no stickiness left. Look, no stickiness. Oh, sorry. See, no stickiness.
What does this slime feel like?
This slime feels like you're allowed to stretch it, except it'll just rip. But it's actually a really nice slime. It doesn't stick or anything. No, mine doesn't either. See? And mine's stretchy. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe. And comments down below if you're new. And we also have another YouTube channel, and we'll see you on